the franchise owner.
It was such a beautiful day. We had God's blessing. The people who love JM so much are there. His family, his friends. All I want for JM talaga is to be happy and help him reach all his heart's desire. I mean, even if I'm not a part of it.
Sobrang hindi ko ma-take in lahat. Ang sigurado ko, I'm beyond grateful.
Kami grateful sa'yo kasi ikaw nagpapakain sa amin ngayon. Siya po talaga yung sisingilin yung pagkatapos.
Siyempre, di ba, ito yung para sa family mo.
Wait, there's another surprise.
Ikaw na mag-reveal dyan. You've provided, you've helped your family since you were 4. So, kailangan din naman. Meron ka ding tulong sa sarili mo.
Yes.
So this one, this one is solely yours. Sabi mo, ako na magdesisyon kung anong business eh. So ito na talaga, siya, sa gasoline station siya. Surprise!
Siya naman. Si JM naman. Dami naman nag-a-avail ng franchises.
Hindi yung alasan kasi
So tama talaga yung decision ni JM na coffee. So, ang dami kong ginagawang business, di ko po yun naisip. But this is his idea talaga. This is all him. And coffee never goes out of style. Sinalaman ko po, franchise sa kanila, 2-3 na po yung branches. So that means kumikita po talaga sila. The necessity na natin siya. It's a part of our lives every day.
First customer natin, si Father. Ayun, ikaw na ang host.
Sobrang grateful talaga ako sa one. Sobrang grateful talaga ako sa mga katulad yung tao na hindi sumuko sa akin, hindi ako iniwan kahit nasa dilim ako. And especially kay Donna. Donna, I love you so much. Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for your unconditional love. Thank you so much for always being there. Makita mo kung sino ako. Walang-wala ako. Down ako spiritually, mentally, emotionally. You're always there for me. Think of mo. And gusto mo pa rin ako. Alam mo kung nakita ko sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung nakita mo sa akin. Mahal naman kita doon. Salamat dito. Wala ko kami nang tatapag ako.
I remember the saying that no act of kindness is too small. The gift of kindness may start as a small ripple that over time can turn into a tidal wave, affecting the lives of many. And I believe JM's recovery will inspire and change the lives of so many more people kasi nakikita po nila si JM from before and now. And that's because of all of you. So, thank you so much.